Ethereum growth was lead more bullish crypto market and listers to estimate that the cryptocurrency could reach a $5,000 value by the end of the 2022, while other price prediction sees the currency stabilize its current value of roughly a $4,000 until the end of the 2022. Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notification. Ethereum's price has been fallen by 12% recently to under $3,000 in value as crypto price slide in the wake of the tax sell-off in the US stock markets and the greater unease over potential crypto clampdown in Russia and around the world. Ethereum price has been on a downswing since its all-time high in November 2021, but the development of the recent events suggested that a change is coming. While there could be a temporary drop, a massive upswing is likely to be afterward. As we can see in the chart, Ethereum fell low $4,500 before moving a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at $4,500, Ethereum relied at a late morning high of $4,700. Ethereum is one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, and its native token Ether has fallen down by more than 18% of reaching its one of the top level. Based on Ethereum current price of about $3,000 $3,100, a $5,000 target of Ethereum means about 60% upside. In cryptocurrencies, this type of move can happen in a short period of the time. However, because the market is extremely volatile, it's hard to predict if this will happen in the end of the 2022. Will Ethereum go forward to new highs anytime soon? On a long-term forecasters, what will be the Ethereum price prediction to its users? Everything about Ethereum price predictions, updates and latest buzz, technical analysis and much more will be present on this channel every day. Support us as subscribing and becoming a part of our Ethereum community members. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world and holds second place in the list of the top cryptocurrencies. In fact, the Ethereum price reached an all-time high price of $4,800. As we can see in the charts, the 2022 bearish price of Ethereum is $4,100. Ethereum could break the support level 1 until it gets to the support level 2, and it shall move support level 3 until it reaches the level 4 at $107,000 before a meaningful bullish run could be expected, since it would be a triple bottom at the point. Ethereum price fell down during this weekend. It declined to a low of $3,400. It was also about 30% below the highest level this year. Its market cap has tumbled to about $4,090 billion. As we can also see in the chart reflected in Ethereum price, a 157% increase in the 24-hour trading volume, with many crypto investors looking to buy the Ethereum price dip. Ethereum 200 SMA at a psychological level, as Ethereum price might be face headwinds. A move is pushed the RSI lower to the 38.16 level. The last two times RSI tagged this level was in the June and the July 2021, when Ethereum was forming a base that would eventually lead to a 180% gain. The retracement forecasted by the technical perspective also supports a retest of the 38 levels for RSI. As we know that second half of the day, our long-term price predictions of the 50 from the 100 and the 200 EMAs would be bringing a $5,000 to a $5,500 price target. Ethereum's current price correction is presenting a potentially classic bullish reversal pattern known as a falling wedge. Falling wedge began wide at the top but contracted as the price moving lower. As a result, the price action forms a conical shape that trends lower as the reaction highs and the reaction lows coverage. Trader relies a bullish based on after the price decisively breaks above the wedge resistance. In this chart, we can see that the price has been broke the upper line of an ascending price channel, and an ascending price channel is separate from its upper line. It gave a very powerful bullish signal in the directions of the main bullish signal. The breakout confirmed that the strength of the buyers. MACD is supporting the further upward movement. In spite of the reaching the overbought zone, RSI is supporting the upward movement as well. From the chart, we can expect that the price will reach $3,500 and probably $4,000 this year of the track. Perfect entry levels will be from the upper lines of the price channel as well as from the lowest lines of the ascending price channels and the MAS. For the long-term tradings, around members between $5,000 to $10,000 will be good profit targets. But of course, you have to take into consideration a bearish model. Before we dive into the video, I am going to clarify that all videos on my channel is only for educational purposes, not only a trading advice. We are not a financial licensed advisor. Be cautious during putting your dream assets into a cryptocurrencies. We will not be responsible for any financial loss occur. Ethereum, similar to Bitcoin, is an uptrending bullish channel. The all-time high resistance or break of this resistance would push Ethereum to the psychological level of $5,000. Ethereum could see a retest of the $4,000 support to continue much higher. There are several reasons why Ethereum price has dropped sharply in the past few days. The most important one is a statement by Jerome Powell. Ethereum could rise and overcome the most important resistance level at $5,000. Some analysts expect the price will reach to $5,000 soon. According to this chart, we can see several things. First, the Ethereum price formed a double top of about $4,700. The coin moved below the key support level at $4,300. Ethereum price could overcome up to $20,000. However, reaching this level could not be so difficult for Ethereum as additional medium, short-term and the long-term price targets could not be found via purchase or sell order. This indicates that Ethereum has a high possibility for reaching new all-time highs soon in the next 5 years as per that prediction. According to some investors, entrepreneurs and the suggesters, Ethereum would cost between $4,100 and $4,900 by the end of the 2022, that believes some investors. According to this chart, we can see that an AB equal to CD pattern on weekly chart that one Fibonacci extension level is about $4,800. A small ABCD extension pattern that is a 1.6% Fibonacci extension levels on a $5,000 overlaps on previous levels. That's it for today. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notification, so you will never miss any for future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. See you next time.